Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about job interviews. So before we have a practice interview session with each other, let's go over and brainstorm some basic questions and answers that can be given in job interviews. So the first one isn't really a question. Tell me about yourself. So this is where you get to talk about your education history, the past places that you've worked. You can talk a little bit about your interests and hobbies, kind of like we've talked about in previous lessons. You can introduce yourself and give them a little information to get to know you as employers. Another question, what special skills do you have? This is a great question to start showing off what's special about you. All of us in here speak different languages, so we can talk about our ability to speak another language. You can talk about skills such as being good with computers or being really good at customer service, that sort of thing. That's where you get to show off what you're best at. Another question could be, what makes you qualified for this position? Let's say you're applying for a teaching job. You could say, well, I have a degree in secondary education, or whatever degree you have. If you're going for a job as a doctor, you can tell them what doctoral degree you have. You can tell them where you've worked before in this question as well. Question, why do you want to work for this company? And this is one that you have to think about before you go in. If, let's say, you're applying to be a teacher again, you can talk about how you like teaching, or how maybe you're applying to the school you went to and how it would be really neat for you to teach somewhere that you went to school. And so this is something that you should think about before you go into a job interview. And the last one, do you have any questions for me? Sometimes employers will ask this. Do you have any questions about the job or the company? You can ask things like, what does a typical day look like here? What do you guys do on a normal day? Or what makes this company different from other companies? And you can ask questions specific to the position you would have or specific to that company. So, okay, so that's how I would introduce a job interview topic in a community language learning class. I think I would probably write these things up on the whiteboard or whatever I had, so that during the recorded discussion, the kids or the adults actually for this lesson could look at it and as a reference, and as when they're writing it down as well, so that they have something to kind of go off of. And yeah, that's what I would do. Thanks for watching.